Rating every Boeing aircraft. By the way, this is my first long-form upload, so if you like it, subscribe. B707. Even though it isn't used today, it revolutionized air travel. Solida. B717. Unlike the 707, some are still flown today. Some key features on the aircraft are the engines on the aft fuselage. B. 727. The 727 doesn't fly anymore due to fuel. And the 727 is the only trijet Boeing has ever made. And last. Another B. 737. I'll be having the 737 in 3 different categories: Classic, Modern, Max.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on.
JK. In fact, the 737-200 and 737-100 are still flying to this day. The modern 737 are used a lot around the world, and a lot of airlines have these models. The 737 can fly for 3,159 miles without running out of fuel. Solida. The 737 MAX has been grounded twice. After some incidents, Boeing has strived to make the 737 MAX more reliable. B747. Regarded to many as Queen of the Skies, it has been loved by the aviation community. But as the last one has been built, a lot of airlines have retired it. There are only 429 747s left flying today, and 1,570 forever being built. Long live Queen of the Skies. EasyS. B757. Boeing have stopped building this aircraft, but 572 of this plane are in service. This aircraft was stopped by most airlines because of its low capacity and high operating prices. The aircraft is going to be fully retired in early 2025, so enjoy it while it lasts. C. B767. The 767 is mainly used in freighter companies. The 767 is going to be discontinued in 2027. The 767 is one step right before the modern age of jets. C. B777. B777 is considered one of the most advanced jets. Boeing are going to make a new variant of this aircraft, 777X. B787. The 787 is the newest Boeing model, and the 787 is the most technologically advanced aircraft in the manufacturing line. S. Thank you for watching this video. This is my first long form, so if I have anything to improve, say so in the comments.